Anticoagulant tubes.
Anticoagulant tubes.
Anticoagulant is the chemical substance that prevent blood from clotting by interfering with clotting process, usually binding calcium or inhibiting clotting factors in the coagulation cascade. Anticoagulants can be classified based on the source. First one, natural anticoagulants, and second one, synthetic anticoagulants. Natural anticoagulants commonly found in our body. Examples: heparin, antithrombin 3. Synthetic anticoagulants is produced by artificially, and it example EDTA, sodium citrate. Anticoagulants can classify based on the form, that is liquid anticoagulant and solid anticoagulant. Liquid anticoagulant available in liquid form. Example: heparin solution, sodium citrate solution. Solid anticoagulant commonly present in dry form, and it is coated on surface of the tubes. Example: EDTA.
Light blue, 3.2% sodium citrate.
Action. By chelating, binding, the calcium, the clotting cascade is inhibited and the blood remains in its liquid state. Ratio. Blood. Anticoagulant, 9:1. Uses, prothrombin time, PT, activated partial thromboplastin time, APTT, and D-dimer tests. Tubes must be filled to the pre-marked line to ensure the correct blood to anticoagulant ratio.
Serum tubes. Red top. It does not contain any additives or anticoagulants. Uses: chemistries, immunology and serology, blood bank, crossmatch. Serum separation tubes, SST.
SST contains micronized silica particles that function as clot activators. These particles trigger the coagulation process, enabling the blood to clot properly. SST contains micronized silica particles that function as clot activators. These particles trigger the coagulation process, enabling the blood to clot properly. The serum separator gel, which has a density between serum and clot. Serum, lighter fraction, rises to the top. Clot, heavier fraction, settles at the bottom. Heparin tube, green top tube.
Content: either lithium heparin, sodium heparin, or ammonium heparin, as an anticoagulant. K2-EDTA, royal blue top tube. Mode of action: K2-EDTA binds to calcium ions, Ca², in the blood.
Uses: trace element, toxicology, and heavy metal testing such as lead, Pb, zinc, copper, Cu, mercury, Hg, arsenic, as. Sodium fluoride, gray tube. Potassium oxalate prevents clotting by binding calcium needed for coagulation. Sodium fluoride preserves glucose by blocking the glycolysis enzyme enolase. Sodium citrate 3.8%, black top. Ratio for collecting blood samples in tubes is 1 volume of anticoagulant to 9 volumes of blood, 1 to 4, 0.4 milliliters of 3.8% trisodium citrate to 1.6 milliliters of blood.